I'm often asked how long it takes to resolve an auto accident case. It's a very good question, and it really depends on the unique facts and circumstances of your case. We want to do a thorough review of the facts in the case, and a lot of it also depends on how severe your injury is and how quickly you are healing. We will negotiate with the insurance companies to try and resolve your case quickly, but oftentimes, if the insurance companies are not negotiating in good faith, they will force us to go to trial and litigate your case. The bottom line is, we want you to get better, and we want you to get full and fair compensation for your injuries at the negligence of someone else.